Hi everyone, my name is Afreen and I'm from Hyderabad Overseas Consultant, UK Division. Today my slide is all about De Montfort University's requirements, intakes, programs, and most important thing, why you should work with HOC for De Montfort University. Moving to my next slide. The USP of Hyderabad Overseas Consultant as why you should work with HOC for De Montfort University. Provided if we have all the documents intact with us, we give you offer letters in 3 working days. That is our USP. So coming to the credibility interviews, we prepare in students for credibility interviews. Since university is waiving off IELTS, we make sure that students are good and they can face the credibility interviews from the university end. This is basically after getting an unconditional offer letter. We provide product training for counselors on complete admission criteria from starting about applications till end till the visa process. So we provide marketing materials and also arrange webinars from the universities. It can be a pre-departure, pre-induction from the university end. We conduct mock interviews. Now, what is mock interview for visas? Basically, if you have noticed, few students have started getting an interviews from UKVI. So we make sure that students are well prepared before processing for the visas. They should have a good research on the university and they should have compared, with other universities. They should be aware about the future goals and return back, incentives to return back to their home countries. So we give the personal assistance for all these things for the visa. Also, we help the students for accommodations part. Moving to my next slide, which is an overview on De Montfort University. De Montfort University is popularly known as DMU. It is a public university in the city of Leicester. It's based in England. It is ranked 801 in QS World Ranking by top universities. DMU has an overall score of 4.2 stars according to the student reviews on study portal. University also have an on-campus recruitment agency which is known as UniTemps. Students and alumni do some amazing things. Example, designing outfits worn by the celebrities, the known celebrities like Lady Gaga. So over 170 courses are accredited by the professional bodies. University has been awarded by Gold for teaching excellence framework. Moving to my next slide, which is about achievements and rankings. So coming to achievements, we have mentioned very clearly QS World Ranking, Times Higher Education, and the complete university guide. Individually, we have also provided the ranking about the programs too. Now, next slide is about my salient features as what is the USP or a catch-up points for University of De Montfort. If you can see, the university is offering a very affordable tuition fee. It starts from 12,000 GBP to 16,000 GBP. Many courses are with placement options. So a wide range of scholarships is being awarded by university. University is giving an IELTS waiver irrespective of your boards. It can be a Haryana, Punjab, any board. Students who have 65 plus percentage in their 12th English can easily go for an IELTS waiver. The least percentages accepted for post graduation is 50, and coming to undergraduation, they must have 60 percentage in their 12. Gap is accepted almost 8 years or 6 years for undergraduation. Moving to my next slide. This is about special assistance during pandemic. So what all this special assistance is being offered by university during this period. University is giving you a self-isolation package free of cost. That means during your isolation for 14 days, you don't have to pay anything for your accommodation, neither for your food. It is absolutely free from the university end. University is also arranging a free pickup from airport. Online orientation is being assisted by the university. Moving to my next slide. This is about intakes and applications. They have two intakes. Those are major intakes in UK, which is October and February. Now, basically, it's January intake. Basically, students who are applying for January or September, they need to end their application process prior 1 month of the course start date. So this is an ideal deadline for application. My next slide is about the undergraduation programs. We have mentioned this some top programs being offered by De Montfort University. You can see in my slide. So simultaneously, we have also mentioned about post-graduation programs, which are very famous in De Montfort University. Accreditation. Now, this is a very most important part. This plays a very important role in order to get jobs. As you can see, university is having almost 97% employability success rate. That means students who graduate within 6 months of time, they will get the jobs in their hands. So the main reason is about the professional bodies accreditation. We have completely mentioned about the different subjects and accreditations for you. About Leicester City, why you should choose Leicester City. So it is near to London, 2 hours from London via train. They have a very low living cost. So basically students who will go Leicester, they can enjoy a nightlife which is very, very good. So there are few highlighting points which we have mentioned for your reference. Moving to my next slide, which is about tuition fees and fund for the visa. Tuition fees starts from 12,000 GBP to 14,000 GBP. This is for undergraduate programs. And for master's programs, the tuition fee starts from 14,000 GBP to 17,000 GBP. They also offer scholarship up to 2,000 to 3,000 pounds. And the tuition fee will come down to 11,000 to 13,000 GBP. Now, initial deposit is very low. University asks only 4,000 GBP. Being in India, you need to pay only 4K GBP. After making the deposit, university will give you a letter called CAS, which is also known as Confirmation of Acceptance Studies. That is a license or a sponsorship letter from the university end. So once you get your CAS from the university, then we will process for the visa. The amount that we are supposed to show at the time of visa is 1 year of living cost. Since it's an outer London, so the living cost for 9 months is 9135 GBP. Plus you have to show the remaining tuition fee of your 1 year fees. Example, if you are tuition fees is 12,000 GBP and if you are paying 4,000, the remaining is 8,000. So by clubbing 9135 plus your 8,000, you need to show both at the time of visa, which has to be minimum 28 days old funds. It can be in form of education loan, it can be in form of savings, or it can be in form of fixed deposit. And that has to be on your parents' name, or it can be on your applicant name, or you can say student name. So this is all about why De Montfort University and why Hyderabad Overseas Consultant for De Montfort University. We have provided the contact details in my slide. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to serve you. You can follow us for latest updates on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. As I mentioned, we have provided our WhatsApp numbers too. You can reach us on WhatsApp or emails. Thank you so much.